Months of the year: January, January, January. February, February, February. March, March, March. April, April, April. May, May, May. June, June, June. July, July, July. August, August, August. September, September, September. October, October, October. November, November, November. December, December, December. Let's see how to write January. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October,